didn't mean to hurt you, so why'd I let you walk out the door? I wish you could see yourself through my eyes. I always forget that you can't read my mind. As long as I got you